Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the video lesson. I am Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher, and today I am going to do the revision of exercise 14C of lesson number 14. And in this video lesson, we will do the revision of division and multiplication of time. So, let's get started. In this exercise, children, we will do the multiplication and division of time. So, let's begin with multiplication. So, the first question is part E of exercise 14C, question number 1. And it is multiply 9 hours 17 minutes 14 seconds by 6. So, let us see how we will do the multiplication. First of all, children, we will write the three columns of hour, minutes and seconds. And children, we will do the multiplication of hour, minutes and seconds separately. We will start the multiplication from seconds. So 14 seconds multiplied by 6 is equal to 84 seconds. After that, we will do the multiplication of minutes separately. 17 minutes multiplied by 6 is equal to 102 minutes. Then we will come to the hours. 9 hours multiplied by 6 is equal to 54 hours. So the product is 54 hours plus 102 minutes plus 84 seconds. Now children, if the product has 60 seconds or more or 60 minutes or more, then what we are supposed to do? Well, we will do the regrouping, as 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So let us see how we will do the regrouping of this product. 54 hour is equal to 54 hour, but 102 minutes is equal to 60 minutes plus 42 minutes, and 84 seconds is equal to 60 seconds plus 24 seconds. So, and you know children, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So, what we are going to do, instead of 60 minutes, we will write 1 hour, and instead of 60 seconds, we will write 1 minute. Therefore, 54 hour plus 1 hour plus 42 minutes plus 1 minute plus 24 seconds. Now, let's add hours, minutes and seconds. 55 hours plus 42 plus 1 minutes, 43 minutes plus 24 hours. So the product is equal to 55 hours, 43 minutes, 24 seconds. So now children, let's come to the next question, which is F part of question number 1. Multiply 7 hours, 52 minutes, 23 seconds by 7. First of all, we will make the columns of hour, minutes and seconds as we have done in the previous question. And now we will multiply hour, minutes and seconds separately. So we will begin with the multiplication of seconds. So now 23 seconds multiplied by 7 is equal to 161 seconds. 52 minutes multiplied by 7 is equal to 364 minutes, and 7 hours multiplied by 7 is equal to 49 hours. So now the product is equal to 49 hours plus 364 minutes plus 161 seconds. So children, now here 364 minutes is more than 60 minutes and 161 seconds is more than 60 seconds. So either we can do the regrouping, or we can also do one thing, that is we can divide 364 minutes by 60, and we can divide 161 seconds by 60. So here I am doing the regrouping. So what will I do? Let us see. 49 hours plus 360 minutes plus 4 minutes means 364 minutes is equal to 360 minutes plus 4 minutes. And 161 seconds is equal to 120 seconds plus 41 seconds. So now 360 minutes is equal to how many hours? Well, it is equal to 6 hours, and 120 seconds is equal to how many minutes? It is equal to 2 minutes. So 49 hours plus 6 hours plus 4 minutes plus 2 minutes plus 41 seconds. Therefore 49 hours plus 6 hours is equal to 55 hours. 4 minutes plus 2 minutes is equal to 6 minutes, and 41 seconds. So the product is equal to 55 hours, 6 minutes, 41 seconds. So now let's come to second question of exercise 14C, which is E part. Divide 25 hours, 13 minutes, 12 seconds by 6. So let us see how we will do the division. We will divide hour, minutes and seconds separately. So we have put 25 under the hour column, 13 under the minutes column and 12 under the seconds column. And now we will start the division from hour. So we will divide 25 hours by 6. 6 fours are 24. 1 is left as a remainder. Now children, what we will do? We will convert the remainder of a step and add to the number of the next step. So children, in this step, the remainder is 1 hour. So we will convert this 1 hour to minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And now we will add the 60 minutes to the next step, which is 13 minutes. We have to, in the next step, we have to divide minutes. So here we will bring down the minutes or seconds and bring down the full number. That is, we will bring down the minute in this step, which is 13 minutes, and we will add this 13 minutes to 60 minutes. So 13 minutes plus 60 minutes is equal to 73 minutes. And now we will divide 73 minutes by 6. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 3 carried down. 13. 6 twos are 12. 13 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now again we have the remainder as 1 minute. This 1 minute we will change it or convert it into seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And now this 60 seconds will go to the second column, and we will bring down the full number, that is 12 seconds, and add this 12 seconds to 60 seconds, which will give us 72 seconds. And now we will divide 72 seconds by 6. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 2 carried down, so 12, and 6 twos are 12. And now our remainder is 0. Therefore, the quotient of this division is 4 hours, 12 minutes, 12 seconds. Now children, let's come to the next question, which is F part of question number 2. Divide 11 hours, 6 minutes, 5 seconds by 5. So here we have to write 11 under the hour column, 6 under the minutes column, 5 under the seconds column. And now we will start the division from the hour column. So we will divide 11 hours by 5. So 5 twos are 10. We will write 10 under 11, and then we will subtract 10 from 11. What do we get? We get 1 as a remainder. Now this 1 hour will go to the minute section, but first we have to convert this 1 hour to minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So now the 60 minute will get added to 6 minutes. And what do we get? We get 66 minutes. And now we will divide 66 minutes by 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 6 carried down, 16. 5 threes are 15. 16 minus 15 is equal to 1. And now this remainder, which is 1 minute, it will be changed or it will be converted to seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And now we will bring down 5 seconds and we will add it to 60 seconds, which will make it as 65 seconds. And now we will divide 65 seconds by 5. 65 divided by 5, so 5 ones are 5. We will write 1 in the quotient part, and then 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 5 carried down, 15. So now 15 divided by 5, 5 threes are 15. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. So what is our answer? 11 hours, 6 minutes, 5 seconds divided by 5 is equal to 2 hours, 13 minutes, 13 seconds. Children, this way we have completed the multiplication and division of time. And I hope you have very well understood how to do the multiplication by regrouping and how to do the division by converting one unit to another unit after every step. So now let's come to your home assignment. So now children, this is your home assignment. There are 4 sums on multiplication and 4 sums on division, which is you are supposed to do on your own, because this is a kind of revision test for you, and you will do it in your notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting. This way we have come to the end of this video lesson. Thank you, my dear students. Keep watching, keep learning.